How to get better water pressure out of your kitchen faucet. So the water pressure for this faucet isn't great. Like, it doesn't really matter hot or cold. It's not bad, but it's not great either. Like usually around here we have what's called a mixing valve, which basically is another stop that the water has to take before it gets to the faucets, and so it just slows, it decreases the pressure on the hot water. In this case, hot or cold water pressure is not bad, but not great either. So we're gonna replace it with this Glacier Bay faucet head and see if that helps. So this just comes out and just spins counterclockwise like so. I got the new one, you can see it's threaded, and just kind of screw it in. So that's a little better, a little more pressure. Another thing that you can do, and we like to do, is to like save old faucet heads, is to buy this cleaner fluid called CLR cleaner, which stands for calcium, lime, and rust, and just like fill up a container with that fluid, and then just submerge the faucet head in that, let it sit for like a day or so, and that will get rid of some of the sediment buildup, if there is in fact sediment buildup in there, and then put it back on and see if your water pressure is any better. All good. Like and subscribe.